Hey people, why am I dancing? I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Yuvonda and I'd like to welcome you to Hill's Tiny Farmhouse Life. If you are a returning friend, I'd like to welcome you back and say thanks for joining me again. So, girl, coming to you at 9:53 p.m. It's dark outside. But anyways, we just got through hanging outside a little bit and eating dinner. And my kitchen is a hot mess, and my dining room is a hot mess, and my living room is a hot mess. It is what it is. But anyways, I'm not going to tackle the living room. I will straighten up the bed. So by now, most of you know that we do have guests. So it is possible to have guests in your tiny house. Yes, it is. You just have to be creative with sleeping arrangements for everybody. But we make it do what it do. So Jamal and I sleep out here. So I need to make up that bed where me and Jamal been sleeping. Because it's a hot mess. But yeah, so our house is 823 square feet, and there are normally 4 of us that live here, but we do have some guests. They ain't guests, they family, and I don't consider family to be guests. But anyways, so we do have my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law that are here visiting us from New Jersey. So we just got kind of creative with ways where everybody sleeps. So our house is 823 square feet. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2017 nobility build, single wide mobile home. So right now my mother-in-law, she sleeps in our bedroom, and Jamal and I sleep in the living room. Brielle's in her bed. Brion is in his what we call the Shabin, shack and cabin, in the back. That's where he's always at. So that's where he lives, on the back side of our property. There is a video tour of that if you're interested and don't know what I'm talking about. I will link that video down below. And he gives you guys a tour of something that we built as a family on like the back side of our property. So that's pretty cool. But I'll link that video down below. And then Brielle's in her room. Brielle's bed does have a trundle. So my sister-in-law is in the room with Brielle. So there we go. There's places for everybody to sleep. We make it do what it do. But yeah, but anyways, we are going to clean the kitchen and the dining room. I have done enough talking. I have been rambling for 2.5 minutes. Sorry, y'all. I do have to empty the trash. I have to clean off the dining room table. These are my wipes I'll clean with. Move this stuff, my husband's stuff. I did just order a new mop. I broke my other mop. Yeah, so I ordered a new mop off of Amazon. These are the little pads. They're clean. I got to get rid of some mail. This is the packaging from Amazon. Y'all, I hope and pray these socks are clean, or Jamal gonna get a whooping. Yeah, because he got socks on my dining room table. Like, whatever. And like I was telling you, me and Jamal sleeps out there. So that's what I was talking about. But anyways, that bed ain't even made up. Okay, this is the new mop I got off of Amazon. It had great reviews, and it was only like $21. This is the bottle with the liquid that goes in it. So, it had great reviews, and if something is stuck on, you can scrub it off. But anyways, I need to move my work bag. I need to clean off the countertops and the bar area. I will clean over there. Just ignore all that, because like I say, stuff is everywhere. But that's life. Clean this. This is from dinner. Sink full of dishes. Stuff. What's missing from over here? Our air fryer stopped working, so I'm going to get a new one. I found one with great reviews on Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive, so I will be ordering that probably tonight. I just hadn't done it yet. And then more dishes and stuff from dinner. And I need to just wipe down over there and wipe down the refrigerator. Wipe off the microwave, because it's like got splatters of grease and stuff. Yeah, you guys already know. But anyways, we about to rectify this, so let's get started cleaning.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go if you don't wanna let me know. Tired of feeling so low. Just say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth.
I would like to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I would like to properly introduce myself. My name is Yuvonda. I am a wife, mom of 3, and emergency room nurse. On this channel, I try to create a balance between working mom and homemaker. So I am here to help give you some cleaning motivation, laundry, cooking, and day in the life vlogs. I also do grocery and couponing hauls. If any of that type of content interests you and you have not already joined our MVP squad, then please go ahead and click that red word subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell. We are so glad to have you here.
This back and forth. This back and forth.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again, sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes stand before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in. Falling stars,
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line.
I hate cleaning my stove. Let me know in the comments below, what is your least favorite kitchen chore?
No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that.
Okay guys, we are coming to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to give you some cleaning motivation, whether it's to clean your kitchen or any area of your home. If I succeeded in that, then please give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed and joined our family, please go ahead and click that red word subscribe and join the MVP squad, because you guys are the most valuable people to me in these YouTube streets. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Too far to fight. Goodbye. a light I can see.